Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're going to learn and practice with all the different forms of drink. Drink is an irregular action. In the present, drink. In the past, drank. And the participle is drunk. Let's practice with all three forms. First, let's practice with the present. The present form is drink, using the long E sound like in words green, bean. Drink. It's a routine. Do you drink water? Yes, I drink water every day. I drink a lot of water every day. And remember pronunciation, DR makes a J sound like in jump. So make the sound J. Drink. I drink a lot of water every day. Let's practice. Do you drink water every day?
Yes, I drink water every day.
Do you drink a lot of water every day?
Yes, I drink a lot of water every day.
Do you drink water every day? Do you drink a lot of water every day? Very good. It's healthy. In the past, we say drank, using the long A sound like say and pay. Dray, drank. He drank all the milk. If I ask a question, I use did. Did he drink all the milk? And my verb is in present for the question. Did he drink all the milk? And the answer is yes. He drank all the milk. And remember, it's not dr, it's jr. Make a voice with your R's. Jr, dray, drank. He drank all the milk. Let's practice. Did he drink all the milk?
Yes, he drank all the milk.
Did he drink all the milk? Very good. And the participle is drunk, using the short sound, like up and cup. Dr, drunk. We use with helpers have and has. He has drunk and I have drunk. I have never drunk goat's milk. Has he ever drunk goat's milk? Yes, he has. Yes, he has drunk goat's milk before in his life. Let's practice. Have you ever drunk goat's milk?
No, I've never drunk goat's milk.
Have you ever drunk goat's milk? Has she ever drunk goat's milk? Very good. Also, remember, when you use the word drink, you can talk about alcohol without saying alcohol. If someone asks you, do you drink? And you say, no, I don't drink. They're talking about alcohol. Do you drink? No, I don't drink. You don't have to say alcohol. That's what it means. We also use drunk as an adjective, as a description to describe a person who drank too much, or who drank too much alcohol. Remember, you don't have to say alcohol. He drank too much, so now he is drunk. It's an adjective, so we use action, I am, you are, and he is. He is drunk right now. So I make a question. He is, switch. Is he drunk right now? The answer is yes. He is drunk right now. So using the adjective drunk, you can use past with was and were. You change am is are to the past was and were. Last night. You were. I was. He was. He was drunk. I make a question. Switch. Was he drunk last night? The answer is yes. He was drunk last night. He drank too much. Let's practice. Is he drunk right now?
Yes, he's drunk right now.
Is he drunk right now? Very good. Are you drunk right now?
No, I'm not drunk right now.
Are you drunk right now? Very good. Is she drunk right now? Very good. Let's practice. Was he drunk last night?
Yes, he was drunk last night.
Was he drunk last night? Very good. And with the adjective drunk, we can use the action, the verb get. Get drunk. We use get to talk about a process, little by little. Like you get tired or you get old. Well, there's a process here, so you get drunk. Get is an irregular action. You can say get drunk in the present. Yesterday, he got drunk. Or have you ever gotten drunk? Let's practice with present. In the present, get. I don't like to get drunk. Does he like to get drunk? The answer is yes, he likes to get drunk. In the past, got. Did he get drunk last night? Yes, he got drunk last night. In the positive, we use the past got. Positive, affirmative, he got drunk last night. If I ask a question, I use did. Did he get drunk? With a present verb. Did he get drunk last night? Yes, he got drunk last night. Let's practice. Do you like to get drunk?
No, I don't like to get drunk.
Does she like to get drunk? Very good. Do you like to get drunk? Very good. Did he get drunk last night?
Yes, he got drunk last night.
Did he get drunk last night? Very good. So we see that the participle drunk is used a lot as an adjective for someone who drank too much alcohol. So for this reason, when we say have you ever, we prefer to say had. Have you ever had goat's milk? It's correct, have you ever drunk goat's milk? But it's more common, have you ever had goat's milk? Because drunk sounds bad. So we use have and had as the action for drinking. I have milk in the morning. I had milk with my lunch. And I have never had goat's milk. Let's practice with have, talking about drinking because it's more common. Do you have milk with your breakfast every morning?
Yes, I have milk with my breakfast every morning.
Does she have milk with her breakfast every morning? Very good. Did you have wine with your dinner last night?
Yes, I had wine with my dinner last night.
Did she have wine with her dinner last night? Very good. Have you ever had goat's milk?
No, I've never had goat's milk.
Has she ever had goat's milk? Have you ever had goat's milk? Very good. We also have expressions like go out for a drink. Go out for a drink. You're talking about alcohol. Would you like to go out for a drink? Sure, let's go. Let's practice. What do you want to do tonight? Would you like to go out for a drink?
Yeah, I'd love to go out for a drink.
Would you like to go out for a drink? Very good. We can also use the expression have a drink, and you're talking about alcohol. Are they going to have a drink tonight? Yes, they're going to have a drink tonight. Or you can say they're going to have drinks. Both are correct. So we see that we use drink in many ways talking about alcohol. Has the verb been present? Do you drink? No, I don't drink. Or with expressions like have a drink or go out for drinks. Or the action in past. He drank too much. Again, you're talking about alcohol. Or drunk, the description. He is drunk because he drank too much. For this reason, it's better to use have to talk about drinking milk, juice, water, or anything else. I have milk in the morning with my breakfast. I had juice with my lunch. And I have never had goat's milk.
Thank you for watching.
And if you want to practice more, check out the link below and practice with the book that we use in our class. You can practice with listening, speaking, and reading. Thanks for watching.